Alright, so now let's deep dive into the K-means algorithm. It's quite a simple algorithm. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we have a grid here and I have 9 data points, x1 to x9. Yeah. And what we do as a first step is we randomly initialize. Yeah, but we have to choose k centroids. So in our case we're gonna choose 3 centroids. Yeah, in our case, k is equal to 3, and you just do it randomly. Let me call this one mu1, this one mu2, and mu3 here. Yeah, here is mu3. So that's our first step. We gotta initialize. In the second step is you're gonna assign all of these xi's to one of these 3 centroids. And the measure you're gonna take is the distance. Yeah? So you're gonna calculate the distance between xi and the 3 mu's, and you're gonna square it and you take the minimum. Right? So this one here could be x1, and you can see that x1 is closest to mu1. Yeah? So C1 is gonna be 1, right? From U1. So C1 is gonna be 1. This one, if this is sample 6, then C6 is gonna be 2. So it's the index, CY is the index of the cluster that XI is assigned to. So let's make it a little bit more intuitive here. So it's clear that these 6 points here are closest to mu1. So let me put them in another color. I choose green. Yeah. So here they are. 1, 2, 3. And I will put mu1 in green too. So this is mu1. Then mu2, yeah, I'll change this to red. It's obvious that these 2 points are closer to mu2, and I'll also put mu2 in red. So this is mu2. And then I got the last fellow here, the blue one, and I call this one mu3, and I'm gonna put that in blue. So this is gonna be mu3. And I'll put the dot here. So basically, I have now assigned each of the x's to a centroid. And all of these have a name, and we can number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This could be 7, this could be 8, and this could be 9. They're each of these data points. Yeah? So now, if you look at C, an example here, that C5 is gonna be how much? C5, this is 0.5, so that's gonna be 1, because it belongs to mu1. You see C8 is gonna, the index is gonna be 2, yeah, because it belongs to centroid mu2. So in step 3, we're gonna move the centroids, and we're gonna move them based on the calculation of the average of the points that belong to that centroid. So the new mu1, so this is mu1, yeah, is gonna be 1 divided by 6 of x1 to x6. mu2, the new u2 is gonna be 1 over 2 x8 plus x9, and mu3 new is gonna be x7, and there is only 1 point assigned to mu3. All right, so now you're gonna move your centroids. So your centroid are gonna slightly move. This one probably gonna move a little bit into this direction, yeah, and this probably a little bit into this direction, yeah. So and then what you do is you repeat step 2 and step 3, yeah, to the point where your centroids are barely moving, yeah, to the point where centroids are barely moving. And that is basically K-means.